Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing some detox herbal green juice, and here are my lush, oh so green ingredients that I will be using. So I've gone ahead and I have washed all my ingredients, washed them nice and good and clean, and here I'm just cutting up some celery. Yes, putting some cut in it. You do not have to do it this way, especially if you're going to be using your juicer. You can just wash them, make sure they're clean, and run them through the juicer, right? So here I'm cutting up another piece of celery, and I'm just gonna cut, and then I'm just gonna put away. Okay? Oh, so simple. Oh, so simple. And now I'm going in on the cucumber. Cut, cut, and cut. Just give it some cut. Yes, give it a bust. And Vibes fam, we peel nothing. We peel absolutely nothing. You can get rid of seeds if there are seeds like maybe in the apple or so, and of course in the lemon, but we don't peel anything, right? Unless, guess what, if you want to do that, let me take that back. If you want to do it, because all of us will like things differently, so if that's what you want to do, go ahead. So here I have my piece of ginger. Maybe I wouldn't show you this, but I'm just gonna show it to you. It's so easy when you take a small spoon, and peel the ginger. It makes it so fast and so easy. And there we go, right? And I forgot to show you guys my spinach. So yes, here are all my ingredients now. They are cut up, and of course everything is nice and clean. So now we're going in, we're adding everything to the NutriBullet. Not everything, a little at a time. And Vibes fam, I was saying, you do not have to cut up like everything if you're going to be using your juicer. You just put them in the juicer. But the downside to the juicing is that you're losing the fiber, because remember, when you run it through the juicer, right, it takes, we in Jamaica we call that the trash. So all the outer layer, oh, so we're gonna add some water. Yeah, it takes away from that, and it would leave that in the juicer, right? And you only get the juice, right? So yeah, I added some water, not a lot, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to blend. So when you do it this way, you keep everything. That fiber is right there, right intact, right? Yeah, just go ahead and just use the method that you like. So your juicer or your NutriBullet or your blender is fine. So yeah, Vibes fam, so I blended that and I poured it out, and now I'm going in adding some more, right? Some apple, this is some spinach, and all the works, the cilantro and everything. I am just dashing and throwing and going in some more celery, all the good stuff. So yeah, as well as, guess what too, if there's something in it that you don't want, don't forget the ginger. If there's something in it that you don't want, say you don't want the cilantro, then don't put it in there. If you don't want the celery, then don't put it in there. I am all for doing what you like, putting what you like in your food, right? Same thing for your juice. So yeah, I was saying that you want this to be kind of thick, so that's the upside to doing it this way in the blender or in your NutriBullet, right? As I was saying, you get the fiber because you need this to be a bit thick. Now for me, how I use this is that, like, I'm going on a 3-day cleanse, so that's no food. So all I'm drinking is this juice. So you know, this is everything. So this is like your chicken and your rice, mentally of course, right? So yeah, you need it to have some kind of substance, some kind of thick, some kind of body to it, right? Yes. So that is why I prefer to use this method, but do what you like, right? So here I'm pouring out the next one. Look at that. Oh, so lush and nice and bodylicious. By the way, add more water to yours if you want. So here is my lemon. So what I'm doing, I'm basically just kind of, softening it up, getting it nice and ready and juicy. When you press down on it like that, you get the juices flowing. You get it all soft and nice, and it's easier to, to squeeze and get all that juice. So here I'm just taking my strainer and I'm just squeezing my lemon so that the seed doesn't go in my juice, but it's fine if the seed go in it for you, if that's what you like. So yeah, Vibes fam, go ahead and add some lemon juice, as well as, guess what, you could peel the lemon and you could have slice it up and put it in the juicer. I don't like it that way, so I did not do it that way. I prefer to just cut the lemon and squeeze the juice from it and get my lemon juice this way, right? So as I always say, do what you like. There is no one way. There's no, this is the way it should go, this is the only way. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Do what you want, do what you like. Anything you see me post on this channel, you take it and make it yours. If there is something in it that you don't want, we don't have to argue, we don't have to fight. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So you're gonna give it a stir. Look at dinner, look at din. So this is the last of the ingredients that was left, and I'm just putting it in there, adding some water, and gonna go ahead and do what? Blend, just like that. And yeah, this one I will be pouring in my nice little mug. Oh my goodness. So you go ahead and you mix up the one in the jug and some of this, right? Because the lemon, or pour some of the lemon, squeeze some of the lemon into this. But Vibes fam, look at it. Look at my little detox juice. And Vibes fam, trust me, because you're going to be, if you're serious like that, and I guess you can go on a 1-day cleanse, a 1-day juicing thing if you wish, right? You don't necessarily have to do a 3-day. You can do a 10-day cleanse. But yeah, Vibes fam, this is the behind the scenes setup of my setup for my photo and the finished product. This is it, Vibes fam. It's so simple, so easy, and so delicious, and it gets you feeling all kind of good, all kind of light and right. So go ahead, Vibes fam, and let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. God bless you.